Hello and welcome to Inventive's IP Education video series. Dive into the essentials of patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Let's embark on this adventure together. Hello, I'm here at CES and I'm at Pixel Free Studio booth, and I'm here talking with Caroline Schmidt. Hello.
Hi.
All right, can you tell us what is interesting about your company?
Yeah, we have a design prototyping tool in which you can create your design and directly with one click export it to 6 different programming languages. You will get human-readable native code, and the code will all be yours. You can host it yourself. There's nothing on the cloud. Yeah.
Okay, and how is it different from the competition?
The competitors save your code on the cloud and you can only access it through them. And with us, you have your code saved locally on the computer, and that's all yours.
So, how does this translate for your users? What benefits do they get from the product?
They're not bound to any cloud or host.
And then what's the cost of this? The cost of the software? How much does it cost?
It costs $49.95 a month.
Okay. All right. Anything else interesting about the company that the readers should learn about?
We're a small startup from Saarbrücken, Germany, and we started 2 years ago, and we want to grow.
Well, fantastic. All right. Well, good luck. Thank you.